the excitement for the film is on a high, but it also comes at the heels of when another film of yours has got into some trouble with Paresh sir's exit in Hera Fairy 3. So I wanted to ask you, like, the fans have been so disappointed and they have said so many things, including calling Paresh sir foolish for taking this step of leaving this franchise. What do you have to say so as to calm the
Okay,
situation?
well, let me first tell you one thing. What's your name? क्या नाम?
Akash Bhatnagar.
आकाश जी, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको कहूँगा कि using this kind of word for one of my co-star, like a foolish word or something, I would not appreciate it. I would say that that's not right. He's been with me. I've worked with him since last 30 साल से 32 साल से मैं उनके साथ काम करते आया हूँ. We are very good friends. He's a great actor. I really admire him. And जो भी कुछ है, I don't think so this is a place where I'm going to talk about it, because whatever has to happen, it's a very serious matter. It is a matter which is going to be handled by the court and things like that. So I don't think I'm going to speak about it here. Okay, thank you.
Agar from the right angle, Hindustan Times. I have two questions. Firstly, my question goes to Nana sir. Sir, you have been a part of so many amazing franchises
हिंदी में
also.
बोल, अंग्रेजी नहीं आती.
Okay, sir. सर आपने इतनी सारी फ्रेंचाइज फिल्म्स की हैं, लाइक वेलकम हो गई, देन व्हाट इज दिस अबाउट, मतलब हाउसफुल 5 में ऐसा क्या अपील हुआ और आपको कैसे कन्विंस किया कि आप इस फिल्म का पार्ट बने?
देखो, डायरेक्टर कौन है उस पर निर्भर करता है, और दूसरी बात है पैसे. तो मैं दोनों से खुश था, और जो रोल था वो बेहतरीन था. और मैं सच कहता हूँ कि इतने साल, 12 साल तूने क्यों नहीं फिल्म डायरेक्ट की, मेरे समझ में नहीं आता. इसके बाद तो लगातार कर 12 साल, उसके बाद रिटायर्ड हो जा. लेकिन वो देख करते हुए हमको तो कुछ करना नहीं है. इन लोगों ने वो जिस तरह से वो स्लैपस्टिक की है, मुझे तो सीरियसली करना था, और वो जैसे करना था मैंने कर दिया है. अब देख लो आपको कैसा लगता है.
Hi Ritesh, Anita here. Straight.
Hi, hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Firstly, a huge congratulations. The trailer is amazing.
Thank you so much.
But Ritesh, you have been the soul of Houseful franchise from the start. What do you think the audiences? Why do you think the audiences keep coming back to this film even after 5 films? What is that one thing that brings back the audiences?
I think Abhishek Bachchan. We did part 3. People loved it. Part 4, we missed him, and he's back here with part 5. But I just feel that when we did Houseful, we never thought it would be a franchise. But I think, Sajid Nadarwala came up with a brilliant script, and then it became part 2, and then part 3. Sajid Khan directed that one, and we are here with part 5. I think the love from the audience has been immense for this franchise, and that's the reason we are back. Hopefully, people watch this film with as much love they have watched the previous parts, and hopefully we come back with part 6 again.
Okay, thank you. Saundanya, one question for you. This is your debut, big debut, and it's a big moment for you. Tell us what was your first day on set was, how was it, and who made you laugh the loudest on the sets?
I think I'm truly, truly grateful and very privileged to be sharing a screen space with all the stalwarts. And, it's an amazing opportunity, and I feel truly blessed. And from the day one, I felt like we are on a picnic. Everybody's so warm, welcoming. Not even for a moment I felt like that this is my first big, film and opportunity. I'm so grateful to everyone who made me feel like, I'm just being part of this, and so respectful. So much to learn from, and I'm so blessed and grateful to be here. I'm so overwhelmed, and I definitely want to take the opportunity to just say thank you to my, God sister Varda. Because of her, and of course because of Sajid sir and everybody, I get to share this screen space with everybody I would have ever imagined to start with.
And I'd just like to add, it did not feel like it was her first time
Yes,
on
I
screen.
have worked a big before, but yes, sharing a big screen that
But yeah,
way with
you were
big
amazing.
film. So
Seriously, and
sweet.
we have a lot to learn from you too.
No, thank you.
So if you see a Gaiety, you will have one killer, and in Galaxy, there will be somebody else. In PVR, in screen number 4, you will have one killer, and PVR screen number 5, there will be a different killer. And you may switch the DCP sometimes, so even 6 o'clock show would have a different killer. So every time you watch the film, you will have a different killer. Thank you.
And
this is
was
first time in the
narrated to
world,
us.
so first time in the world this is happening.
This was narrated to us after we shot it.
Yeah, this is, and we narrated while they were shooting in the last portion. I don't think half the people know who the killer is.
So every version will have different killers, basically.
2 killers differently.
Okay, that's interesting. And Akshay sir, I have a question to you. Over here, same. Sir, after a very long time, we are seeing a slapstick proper comedy coming our way, because you know there have been so many content films which are coming with you as well. You are also part of a lot of content films. So how do you view a slapstick film in today's time?
I think if I would not be mistaken that slapstick comedy ये कोई ऐसी आसान कॉमेडी नहीं है. नाना साहब ने इतनी कॉमेडीज़ की हैं, रितेश ने इतनी कॉमेडी की है, श्रेयस, अभिषेक, they can vouch for it. They have been part of so many other comedies franchise. But let me tell you, slapstick comedy is very difficult. And this comedy, what we all have done, is slapsticks mixed with action comedy. It is physical comedy. I'm a huge fan of Charlie Chaplin. Huge fan. Trust me, I'm telling you. I even have his photograph in my wallet. And if you want to see it, I can show it to you. But I'm a huge fan of Charlie Chaplin because the way he does comedy without saying a single word, with so much of physicalness. So I think I said that kind of comedy, I am a huge fan of it. So this film has that kind of thing. And unfortunately, this kind of comedy doesn't get that, क्या कहते हैं उसका जो है ना, कदर नहीं मिलती उसकी, acclaim नहीं मिलता उसको. It is award तो भूल जा बेटे, award कहाँ से मिलता है? But it is very, very difficult to make people laugh when it comes to physical comedy and when it comes to slapstick comedy. That's it.
I would just like to add
Photograph
one thing.
देखनी है क्या?
I like to add one thing कि आपने जब बोला
देखा? Where's my wallet? है wallet? Sorry.
नहीं, I just like to add one thing. जब आपने बोला कि content film है और फिर comedies है, ये सोचना बहुत गलत होता है कि comedies में content नहीं होता. तो you know I would expect हाँ
Hello, in the center. Here.